All right, hi everybody. So in this video here, we're going to start taking a look at factoring, but we're going to look at the sum and difference of cubes. Okay, so and this is a good one to start off with here. Really, x cubed minus one. Both of those are perfect cubes. So here's the pattern that we employ here. So we're going to break this up into two factors here. One of them is going to be bigger than the other one. Okay, so what we do to start off with here is we're going to take the cube root of x cubed, the first expression, which is just going to be x, and then we're going to take the cube root of the second one, which is just going to be 1. Then we copy the sign that's in between. Whoops, I don't know why that didn't happen there. So x minus 1. So we just take the cube root of the first term, cube root of the second term. We keep the same operation. Then what we do is we take that first term right here. When I say the first term, I am referring to this guy right here, and we square it. We're going to get x squared. Then I'm going to take and multiply these two terms together. 1 times x is just going to be x, and we change the sign. Okay? Different operation here. And then what we do is we take that second term and we square it and add. And there we go. Now, while I'm kind of starting off with one that's really kind of basic, straightforward here, let's just expand that out here. Let's just check it. Okay? Let's check. So we've got x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. I'm going to distribute this, so I'm going to get this x times x squared is going to be x cubed, x times x is x squared, x times 1 is going to be x. Negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared, negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. And I notice that my x squared terms cancel, and so do my x's. So my quadratic and my linear terms cancel, and yes, all I'm left with is x cubed minus 1. And so that works. That's how that one works here. If the sign had been different, if it had been x cubed plus 1, then my answer would have been x plus 1, x squared minus x plus 1. Just so you see the difference between those two.